Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting video from the PC Handyman. If you are someone who upgraded to Windows 10 from Windows 7 or 8.1, it's highly likely that you have an outdated partition style called Master Boot Record, or in short called MBR, on your hard disk or SSD. We are going to see how to change the partition style of your hard disk or solid state drive from MBR to the latest GPT style without disturbing the Windows installation. By doing this, you can take advantage of the latest partition style, meanwhile not having to go through the installation of Windows or your favorite programs all over again. Since you are going to make changes to your Windows partition, you would need to use another computer or laptop to be able to do this upgrade. Let's take a look at the things you need. I will leave the download links in the description box below. So let's dive right into the process. Step 1 is to take out the hard disk from the original computer and connect it to the second computer or laptop either through a SATA cable or USB adapter. Please note that the SATA connection is always faster. And then we need to take a backup of your existing Windows partition. We can use softwares such as Drive Snapshot to do the same. A normal Windows installation contains 3 distinct partitions: a MBR boot partition, a Windows partition, and a recovery partition. We need to take a backup of only the Windows partition as shown on the screen. Step 2 is to delete all the partitions and convert the hard disk from MBR to GPT style. For this activity, we can use any partitioning softwares such as Minitool Partition Wizard. Step 3 is to connect your hard disk back to the original computer and do a fresh Windows 10 installation on this drive. This will create 3 distinct partitions. Once the installation is complete, don't bother to install any further softwares, drivers or updates. Turn off the computer and disconnect the hard disk from it. Step 4 is to connect this hard disk back to your host computer and do a partition restore using the Drive Snapshot software as shown here. You are going to replace the new Windows partition with your old Windows partition, and thus you get back your previous Windows installation without any changes. Make sure to select Yes when you see this resize text box so that the new file system will be matched with the original partition size. Otherwise, the drive space will not be shown correctly and you need to do the restore all over again. And we are done with the upgrade. Just connect your hard disk to your original computer or laptop and you should be able to boot into Windows without any issues. And if you check your drive partition style using disk management, you can see that it has changed to GPT style. I hope this tutorial has helped you upgrade to the latest partition style and take advantage of its numerous benefits. If you like this video, I will appreciate it if you give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you soon.